morning, everybody. I hope that you guys are having a great morning, and thank you so much for joining me today. You are here with Debbie Adams over at Creative Life. So thanks again for joining us for the 12 Days of Christmas, you guys. And I'm super excited to be here with you. It has been quite a week, right? The 12 days it just seems like it went by so fast. And it always does. Once we hit that, like day 6, day 7, it just seems like it flies by. And so today is day 11. And so we're going to go ahead and pick out what we need for day 11 to go ahead and create something. And I'm really hoping for a frosty, but you know, any of these are really fun to do. And I hope you guys are playing along with us, or if you're not, I hope that you just print the sheet out and you know, spin the wheel, or pick out, you know, a little card that kind of gives you a challenge of what to make for that day, you know, for crafting. And I think that this is such a great idea. What a great idea to do, you know, to help you get in the mood or inspiration to craft, right? So let's pick this up real quick. Okay, you guys. Oh, day 11. Let's see here. Oh, pick this one. I just went straight to the bottom. And see what we got. We got Sleigh. Oh, cool. Okay. So we've got Sleigh here. I don't know what I'm going to make, but yeah. So we've got Sleigh. So we're going to go ahead and color that in. I know I'm not going to get frosty. Oh my gosh. I got to get frosty, you guys. So this is day 11. Okay. So we've got day 11, and oh my gosh, I am for Sleigh. Celebrate was quite a one that I had to really think about, because I had no idea what to do for that one. So celebrate. So where's my pen? Where did my pen go? Oh, here it is. So this is day 11. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have one more day. One more day. Day 11 is Sleigh. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and get cracking on this one. I don't know what I'm going to do. I have no idea. So we'll find out. So as we get started, I have a sleigh that I wanted to decorate, and I inherited this from my mother-in-law, and I've been wanting to decorate it forever. So my thought was I would go ahead and get some random little small empty boxes and go ahead and wrap them. Now these are empty boxes. They have no presents in them. And so I thought that way it's kind of lightweight, and it's, you know, I didn't want it to be too heavy and the sleigh. Although it is a metal frame, it wouldn't really hurt it, but I just thought, you know, empty boxes is pretty good. So here I'm just wrapping my little presents for the sleigh. So this video may be a short video, you guys, because basically I'm just wrapping presents for the sleigh. And I wanted to go ahead and wrap these empty boxes just to kind of fill in for presents inside of a sleigh. And I've been wanting to do this like since we decorated for Christmas, but I just haven't had a chance. And so I went ahead and just grabbed some wrapping paper and, like I said, some empty boxes, and just started decorating them. So for this part, I wanted to share with you guys this really cool wrapping technique. Now, this was all over TikTok. I think it was last year, maybe a few years ago. It's been out for a long time, and maybe you guys have tried it before. And I have to say, I did do it, I think it was last year, and it turned out so cool. I actually wrapped a one of those big squishmallow things, stuffed animals for one of my granddaughters, and it turned out so cute. So I thought I would try it with this box. Now, it did kind of work, but one side was a little higher than the other, so it turned out okay. I mean, it wasn't perfect like I wanted it to be, but it gets the job done. And I'm trying not to be such a perfectionist, so I didn't feel like I really didn't want to take this all apart and then redo it again. So it was getting kind of late, and I really just wanted to get everything wrapped and done so I could get day 11 out to you guys because I am running behind. So today is actually day 12, and I will be posting day 12 hopefully on Friday. So I will be getting that out to you hopefully and soon. And so here is the neat thing is that once you go ahead and do that accordion uh, thing back and forth with the long wrapping part, then you'll go ahead and you'll tape this together so it kind of looks like a fan up on top. It's really decorative, and I really think it looks cool. It's one of my favorite techniques to do now for wrapping, and I really just love how it looks. It just looks so festive and so pretty. And see how kind of the top part is uneven. It's supposed to be even, okay? But it's not. And like I said, I'm trying not to be such a my OCD kicking in, but it is. It was really hard not to just take that off and redo it. But I really wanted to get this video out there for you guys so you could take a look at it and check it out. So maybe it's something that you might want to do. You do have to have enough length up on top of your present in order to do this. So I want to say at least a good maybe 15 inches or so in length, so that way you can do the cording back and forth and it comes out correctly. So and then this little red ribbon, I just went ahead and grabbed some of these. Now these I've had in my stash forever, and I actually use them on my garland and stuff, but I thought these would look super pretty on the presents this year. So I just went ahead and I have a whole bag full because I inherited some from my mother-in-law, and just like I inherited the little sleigh, and I absolutely love that. And see, I'm sitting here trying to think of how I can get it to go down. And I thought maybe I could fold it over, but I was like, you know what? I'm just going to leave it. I'm just going to leave it. So now we're off to the sleigh. And this is what I did is I went ahead and placed garland around the sleigh. And I think that it looked so good. I absolutely love how this looks with the presents inside of it. And yeah, I really like how this looked. So here's the picture again of the before, and then here is the picture of what it looks like now. I wish I did have some twinkle lights to put around it, but hopefully I'll get that later. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it's short and sweet, and thank you so much for joining me. Take care, and I will see you soon. Thanks so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, and head over to Rosa Kelly's Scrapbooking to check out what she made for the 12 days of Christmas.